Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best digital torque wrenches you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many digital torque wrenches and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each digital torque wrenches so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a digital torque wrench. First, think about accuracy because precise torque settings are essential for mechanical and automotive tasks. Most good quality digital torque wrenches offer high accuracy and clear digital displays. Next, look at the torque range to ensure it fits your specific jobs, whether small electronics or heavy machinery. Comfort and grip are also important since a well-designed handle reduces strain during use. Battery life matters too, as digital wrenches depend on consistent power for reliable readings. Durability is another factor because a strong build ensures long-term performance in tough conditions. Finally, check for extra features like audible alerts, memory settings, or calibration certificates. These details can make your work easier and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tool guides.